Hello students, today we will solve the question number 4 onward of exercise 5.3. In question number 4, how many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 and so on must be taken to give a sum of 636? Here let n be the terms. Let n terms must be taken to give a sum of 636. So here a equal to 9 and d equal to 17 minus 9, that is equal to 8, and Sn equal to 636. So using formula of Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, here 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into 8. Here it is equal to n by 2 into bracket 18 plus 8n minus 8, that is equal to 18 minus 8 is 10 plus 8n, n by 2 into 10 plus 8n. Now multiplying n by 2 into the bracket, we will get 5n, 2 5 ja 10, 5n plus 4n square, that is equal to 636. So taking 636 on the right hand side, we will get 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equal to 0. Now for factorization, splitting the middle terms in the terms of factors of 636 and 4, we will get here 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 equal to 0. N is common in first two terms, so it is n into 4n plus 53. Now 12 is common in last two terms. It will give minus 12 into 4n plus 53, that is equal to 0. So here it is 4n plus 53 into bracket n minus 2 is equal to 0. So here multiplication of two factors is 0. So here 4n plus 53 is equal to 0 or n minus 12 is equal to 0. So here n equal to minus 53 by 4. And here n equal to 12. Since here n is equal to minus 53 by 4, which is negative number and a fraction, so it is not possible value of the n. So n is equal to 12. Hence the sum of 12 terms is 636. Now in question number 5, the first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Then find the number of terms and the common difference. Here let n be the number of terms and d be the common difference. So here a is equal to 5, an that is equal to l means last term, which is equal to 45, and sum of n terms Sn is equal to 400. So using the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So here Sn is 400 is equal to n by 2 into 5 plus 45. Now 400 is equal to n by 2 into 50. So n is equal to 400 into 2 divided by 50. So it will give 16. Now using the formula of an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here an is 45, that is equal to 5 plus 16 minus 1 into d, because here the number of terms is 16. So here taking 5 on the left hand side, it will be 45 minus 5 is equal to 15d. So d is equal to 40 divided by 15, that is d is equal to 8 by 3. Hence the answer is number of terms n is equal to 16 and common difference d is equal to 8 by 3. Now in question number 6, the first and last term of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? So here you have to find the number of terms n and Sn. Here a is equal to 17, l means last term is equal to 350 and common difference d is equal to 9. Let there are n terms, so l is equal to an. Now using the formula of an, l is equal to an means that is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substituting the values, we get 350 equal to 17 plus n minus 1 into 9. Now 350 minus 17, is equal to n minus 1 into 9. So here difference is 333. Now dividing by 9, we will get here n minus 1. So here n minus 1 is equal to 37. So n will be equal to 37 plus 1, that is equal to 38. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So here substituting the value, 38 divided by 2 into bracket 17 plus 350. So here dividing 38 by 2 will give 19. So here into 350 plus 17 is 367. Multiplying we get Sn equal to 6973. So here answer is n equal to 38 and Sn equal to 6973. Now question number 7. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So here D is equal to 7 and A22 means 22nd term, A22 is equal to 149. So here we have to find the sum of 22 terms means S22. Since An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, hence A22 is equal to A plus 22 minus 1 into 7. So here it is equal to 149, that is equal to A plus 22 minus 1, that is 21 into 7 will give 147. So here A equal to 149 minus 147, that is equal to 2. Hence now Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus An. Now S22 is equal to 22 divided by 2 into bracket 2 plus 149. So it will give 11 into 151. So S22 is equal to 1661. Hence the S22 equal to 1661 is the answer. Now in question number 8, find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So here A2 is equal to 14 and A3 is equal to 18. So we have to find S51. So here D is equal to A3 minus A2. So it is equal to 18 minus 14, that is equal to 4. Now A2 equal to A plus D. So here A plus D means 4. A plus 4 is equal to 14. So here A is equal to 14 minus 4, 10. Now Sn equal to n by 2 into bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So here S51 is equal to 51 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into 10 plus 51 minus 1 into 4. So here 51 divided by 2 into bracket 10 to the 20 plus here 50 into 4 will give 200. So it is 220. So dividing by 2 will give 110. So 110 into 51 will give 5610, which is the sum of 51 terms. So it is the answer. Now in question number 9, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, then find the sum of first n terms. Here S7 equal to 49 and S17 equal to 289 are given. Since Sn equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, hence S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into bracket 2A plus 7 minus 1 into D, which is given as 49. So it is equal to 49. So here 7 by 2 into 2A plus 6D, that is equal to 49. Taking 2 as common, here 2 is cancelled out by the denominator of. So here it will be equal to A plus 3D is equal to 7 divided by 49 will give 7. So first equation is A plus 3D equal to 7. Now S17 is equal to 17 divided by 2 into bracket 2A plus 17 minus 1 into D, that is given as 289, sum of 17 terms 289. So here 17 divided by 2 into bracket 2A plus 16D equal to 289. So here taking 2 as common, so here you will get into bracket A plus 8D, 2 is cancel out and 17. Here divide the 289 will give only 17. So here A plus 8D is equal to 17. It is the equation number 2. Now solving these two equations means here subtract equation 1 from 2. So you will get here 8D minus 3D equal to 5D. A is cancelled out. So it is equal to 17 minus 7, that is 10. So D is equal to 2. Now from equation 1, A plus 3D means A plus 3 into 2, that is equal to 7. So here A equal to 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1. Now Sn equal to n by 2 into bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So here n by 2 into bracket 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into D means 2. So here you will get 2 as a common, so n by 2 into 2. So here into bracket it will be 1 plus n minus 1 because we have taken 2 as a common. So here 1 minus 1 is cancelled out, so only n is remaining here, and here also only n is remaining. So n into n will give n square. So here Sn equal to n square. Now in question number 10, so that A1, A2 and so on, An and so on form an AP where An is defined as given below. In first part An is equal to 3 plus 4n, and in second part An is equal to 9 minus 5n. Here also find the sum of first 15 terms in each case. In first part, since An equal to 3 plus 4n, so here substituting the value of n, we get different terms. So substituting n equal to 1, we get A1 equal to 3 plus 4 into 1, that is equal to 7. A2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2, that is equal to 11. A3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3, so 4 here 12 plus 3, that is 15. So here taking the difference between consecutive terms, we get D equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to 11 minus 7, which is equal to 4. And A3 minus A2 is equal to 15 minus 11, that is equal to 4. Since here common difference is same, so A1, A2, A3 and so on An form an AP, which we have to prove in the question. So here the first term is A equal to 7 and D equal to 4. Now Sn equal to n by 2 into bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Hence S15 is equal to 15 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into 7 plus 15 minus 1 into 4. So here it is equal to 15 divided by 2 into bracket 2 7 ja 14 plus 14 minus 1 means 14, 14 into 4, that is 56. So adding these two terms we will get 70, and dividing by 2 it is equal to 35. 35 into 15 will give 525. So yes, 15 is equal to 525. Now in second part, since An is equal to 9 minus 5n, so here also we substitute the value of An equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. We get A1 equal to 9 minus 5 into 1, that is equal to 9 minus 5, 4. Here A2 equal to 9 minus 5 into 2, which is 9 minus 10, that is equal to minus 1. A3 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3, that is equal to 9 minus 15, which is equal to minus 6. So here taking the difference, A2 minus A1 equal to minus 1 minus 4, that is equal to minus 5. A3 minus A2 is equal to minus 6 minus minus 1, which is equal to minus 6 plus 1, that is equal to minus 5. So here the common difference is same. So A1, A2, A3 and so on An form an AP, whose first term A equal to 4 and common difference D equal to minus 5. Now using the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Here S15 is equal to 15 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into 4 plus 15 minus 1 into minus 5. Hence S15 is equal to 15 divided by 2 into bracket 8 minus 70. So it is equal to minus 62. So dividing by 2 it will give minus 31. So here multiplying by 15 will give minus 465, which is the answer. In question number 11, if the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? Means that is S1. Then what is the sum of first two terms? Then what is the second term? Similarly, find the third term, 10th term and nth term. Since Sn equal to 4n minus n square, so substituting the value of n equal to 1, 2, 3, we will get S1 equal to 4 into 1 minus 1 square, that is equal to 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Similarly, S2 is equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square, that is equal to 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. Now S3 is equal to 4 into 3 minus 3 square, that is equal to 12 minus 9, that is equal to 3. Now the first term A will be equal to the sum of one term. So it is same as 3. So A equal to 3. First term is 3. The sum of first two terms means S2. S2 here we have find that is equal to 4. So S2 equal to 4. Similarly, the second term will be equal to sum of two terms minus sum of one terms, means S2 minus S1. So it is equal to 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. Now the third term A3 will be equal to sum of three terms S3 minus sum of two terms S2. So it is equal to 3 minus 4, that is equal to minus 1. Now we have to find the 10th term. So here we will get S9, sum of 9 terms, that is equal to 4 into 9 minus 9 square, that is equal to 36 minus 81, which is equal to minus 45. And S10 is equal to 4 into 10 minus 10 square, that is equal to 40 minus 100, which is equal to minus 60. So 10th term A10 will be equal to S10 minus S9, that is equal to minus 60 minus 45, which is equal to minus 60 plus 45, which is equal to minus 15. So 10th term is minus 15. Now we have to find the sum here nth term. So here the common difference D is equal to second term minus first term, A2 minus A, that is equal to 1 minus 3, which is equal to minus 2. Now using the formula of nth term, An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. D is minus 2. So it is equal to 3 minus 2n plus 2. Multiplying here by minus 2, we will get minus 2n plus 2. So here simplifying, An equal to 5 minus 2n, which is the nth term. Up to here we have completed the question number 1 to 11, and other questions we will solve in the next video.